Hello, everyone. This time we will learn about final consonants called Batchim, which many of you find most difficult. In the previous session, we learned about the basic characters of Hangeul, its consonants and vowels. Today, I hope that learning about Hangul Batchim will help you to use Hangeul completely. Well then, shall we begin? English involves letters standing in a line, but Hangeul involves stacking blocks. King Sejong believed that for a sound to be complete, it needs a stable floor. This floor, which holds the sound from the very bottom of the character, is what we call Batchim. So, do we need to create new letters for the floor? No, King Sejong didn't want his people to memorize more letters. So, he decided to reuse the consonants we already learned and place them at the bottom. Giok is a starting sound when used at the top, but when it moves to the bottom, it becomes a batchim that closes the sound. Here creates a magical rule. Although there are many letter shapes, when pronounced as batchim, they change into just 7 representative sounds. It's like many streams flowing down to eventually meet in 7 rivers. It may look complex, but the sound becomes much simpler. These 7 sounds are divided into 2 teams. One team stops the sound abruptly, k, t, k. You finish the sound by closing your lips or blocking air with your tongue. The other team lets the sound flow, de, le, b, n. Especially ear, which had no sound, makes a beautiful ringing sound, when it becomes a batchim. The consonant starts, the vowel sings, and the batchim concludes. This perfect harmony of 3 beats. This is the sound balance of Hangeul. Now, you hold all the pieces of Hangeul.